I don't know if you can tell, but she's just got this real, very specific patch. It'll look more than that because she's so flexible. I'm going to have to get some extension in her spine.
Okay.
I'm going to take that contact there like that. I have to, unfortunately, just extend her a little bit to get it in the right place. That's why we be quick. That's why we be quick. Hey, darling. Hey.
Sorry. So, he spits up a lot. So we're gonna work down in here. Even when he lays down, he wants to turn his head to the right, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So, you don't like that one. You don't like that one, do you? There you go. Very good. I know. I know, but let's see how well you turn. Hey!
It's better.
It's better.
Yeah, it's better.
It certainly is.
It's better.
Yeah, it's better. Alright, Mom.
He's got a small problem with the top of his neck. He's got two main problems. One is right under my finger here. Okay, we're going to fix this for you. This is just two fingers. I think we fixed you. Yeah. Feels better, doesn't it? It's taking the pressure off. It's just stops.
فضلا وليس أمرا ادعمونا بلايك للفيديو واشتراك بالقناة، فهذا يدعمنا كثيرا.